Hey there fans, how you going? Alright, so I'll take a photo of the recipe, but this is what we call crispeddi, like a Sicilian fish cake, and these are absolutely delicious. So I'm going to take 3 eggs. Here's a recipe. 3 eggs, 400 grams of pink salmon drained today. Big slice of Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, a splash of pepper, cornflour, about 3 tablespoons. Fresh parsley and a little bit of basil is nice. And then we cook them into fish cakes, into round fish cakes. So, I'm still half asleep. Anyway, I've got some basil in there. I'm going to put my eggs in. I promised Christine I was going to video this. So, hope you are enjoying it, because I'm very tired to be doing this. Got my 3 eggs. Now I've got some parsley. Picked a lot. That should do. We don't want too much in there. Half a teaspoon of salt. Good splash of pepper. So they put it here. It should be alright. The pan is heating up really well. That's the pink salmon. It's upside down. I've taken the lid off. Make sure it's drained, eh? Wild Alaskan pink salmon. It's about $6 a can. It's not cheap, but makes all the difference. Then a really good splash of Parmesan cheese. And I've got to mix the salmon in there. Crush it down. Bones and all, eh? The bones are really tasty and good for you. This even smells good like it is. Okay, I need some flour. This is cornflour. You got, like, cornflour tastes better. Just run-of-the-mill cornflour. And it's about 3 tablespoons roughly. Got the wrong tool for the job, but anyway. About 3. See how that goes. Just a little bit more, because, as I said, I'm not using the right tool. I'll put a little dash more. I like salt today. That'll do. Okay. Mate, these are absolutely worth it. They are really, really nice. Cannot imagine how nice. Put a little bit more on my parsley for fun. Okay, this should do. Oh man. Now, we're gonna do whatever will fit in this pan, but say one. Can you see the pan? Yeah, you can. Good. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. Two, yeah, that'll do. Yeah, should be able to get 4 in here. Okay. Very nice. Can you see that? So we want them to cook a little bit on the bottom, and then I'll flip them. I'll press them down because I want them flat. So we got enough there for 1 or 2 more cakes, and the secret is to put it onto paper. So while that's cooking, I'll get the tool for that, and I'll get some paper. I'll pause it there. I'll be back. So these are really nice, even cold. Got a bit of paper from my printer there. I'm going to turn these over. That's it. So the temperature I got them cooking at is 5 on my little stove here kind of thing. It's like you're cooking a steak. I don't think you normally have to turn it down, but we'll see. So I'm flattening them out a little bit. I like them like you could put it in a sandwich. These are really nice cold as well as hot. Now ideally I need a little salad, but I'll put the ingredients away while I'm cooking, and I'll be back. I'll just pause it there for a sec. So just remember to keep the oil up as well when you do the next batch. These aren't far away from being ready. Keep the oil underneath. Extra virgin olive oil. You've got to have extra virgin olive oil. No substitute. Don't substitute any of these ingredients I'm saying. They will turn out differently. You can try a little bit for the salt, and it's very nice. You can put a little bit more on top if you want, but salt seems to be good. They're very close. Do you see that? Very close to being cooked. Yes, I'm touching everything because I'm showing you, and it's just for me. I'm just cooking for myself. I do have clean hands too, by the way. Back in a sec. Alright, so that is basically it. I'm going to pull one out, and I'll do the rest off camera. But you want it like that, nice and golden brown. Pull them out, put them on the paper. Eat them hot, eat them cold. It's all good, my friends. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Salvatore's Kitchen. I'm going to do the last one or 2. God bless, guys. See you in the next one.